So to get this new solenoid for the blower fan into the Amarok, after dicking about for a while, I've found out you have to get these rubber stops in your glove box beyond that rebate and underneath. It's just, I was trying with screws and all sorts, but it's just sat there. So I've got this side out by lifting and clipping underneath, and when you get one side out you can get the other side out. And what it was these hinges here. The hinges at the bottom just clip on to the bottom there. So you basically getting your hand underneath and clipping out one hinge, which in turn pulls that out of there, and then you can get to the other side. So none of the screws were required. Once that's out, then in behind here you can see, sorry it's not great footage, in behind the glove box itself there is the blower fan, and on the blower fan at the top there is where those wires are connected to, is the back of this. So I'll just undo those two bolts there, boom boom, take that clip out. So there's one, two nuts there, slide that out, undo that clip and pull it out, and then put this one in, which is it there. So fingers crossed that does it, because what the problem was my blower fan was working on, it was only working on 4, which I've read a lot about, seems to be the solenoid. So fingers crossed that fixes it. I'll let you know, find out. And there it is, the old one. So I undid these two screws, these two hex screws came out, hex head screws. They're 5.5mm head on them. Just undid them quite easily, and then that's come out there. So now I change that over, slot it back in and test it. So there it is, there's the old one. There's the old one, and there's the part number. And I've managed to get in there. That's it, I just used a 5.5mm way back there, up on them two, and I've put it in 1, 2, and then she's gone. And look at that, working again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 always worked. Isn't that great? Fantastic. Job done. And then I'll just clip the glove box back onto these two, and that rubber stop needs to go in there, and then back in there, and then this lid just clips into the back of the glove box. So put that back together, and there she is back there. Off those wires, the red and yellow wire. That'll be it, job done. There we go. Glove box back in. So there's the stoppers there, and this little protector at the back which just clips off when you push on it. So you push either side and that clips off, and then you've just got to pull around that and that one there, and underneath this is just clipped onto a hinge with like the plastic hook, so you've got to pull that off by when you open it. You got to lift it so it clips off that bar and comes off. Dog's barking at the birds and comes off that clip. So there's a bit of a technique. You sort of lifting this side to get that rubber stopper out and to clip it off the hinge at the bottom, and then the other side goes up at an angle and the other side will clip off. And that gets you access once that's off, and that's you in. Easy. Easy. Good luck.